Derivatives trading is not suitable for all investors. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results.
Hey traders, in this video we'll discuss how to configure general order presets and instrument-specific order presets. EdgeProX allows you to configure contract and order quantities along with default order types and time in force for working orders. This can be set for all products via global settings. Click on Configure Order Presets. Set your default quantity. EdgeProX allows use of limit orders, market orders, stop orders, which are commonly executed orders along with stop limit and trail order types. To change your order type, simply select Order Type. For time in force, select Time in Force. Then select Update. To configure these for individual instruments, you can select Order Presets for instruments. This brings up the Order Presets window for whichever contract you're currently trading.